My dad and I were really excited to try out this jump starter because it never fails. We always have at least one vehicle with a dead battery. So today let's have a look at this GOOLOO GT6000 jump starter for a vehicle. The brand did send it over and compensate us for this video, but let's go ahead and take a look. So first off, this GOOLOO GT6000 jump starter is a powerhouse with 6,000 amps of peak power. It's built to handle all gas engines and even diesel engines up to 12 liters. Plus it's compact and super easy to store in your car. One of the coolest things about the GT6000 is its 100-watt bi-directional fast charging. So that means you can recharge it from 0% to 100% in under 2 hours. And even a quick 7-minute charge is enough to jumpstart a vehicle. The LED display makes it easy to check the battery level and see the status while you're using it. It's also super safe with 10 built-in protection technologies that prevent issues like short circuits, overheating, and reverse polarity. Plus, it has a 24-month standby time, meaning you don't have to worry about it losing charge quickly. And if you need a little extra light, it also has a built-in flashlight with 3 different modes: SOS, Spotlight, and Strobe. It's perfect for emergencies. Besides jump starting, this jump starter is also a 27,000 milliamp power bank with 3 USB ports for charging your devices, and it even has a 15-volt 10 amp port that can power things like tire inflators and portable inverters. Whether you're on a road trip or just want peace of mind, the GOOLOO GT6000 is a solid choice to keep in your car, or if you're like us, we're going to throw it in our RV for all of those upcoming road trips. Okay, so for some real-time usage, let me show you how this thing works in action. First, you're going to connect the heavy-duty jumper cables to the actual GT6000. The clamps are sturdy and easy to grip. Then you're going to attach the red clamp to the positive terminal and the black clamp to the negative terminal on your car battery. Power on the jump starter, the display will let you know when it's ready to go. Start the car. That's it. No waiting around. It fires up quickly. Just keep watching, and I really hope this video helped.